Welcome to this explainer. Okay, if you're tuning in today, it probably means you've got your hands on a brand new TJ Maxx gift card and you're ready to put it to use. I'm incredibly excited to guide you through this because, let's be honest, there is absolutely nothing quite like the thrill of finding a massive deal. Today, I'm going to give you a super simple step-by-step solution to unlocking your new e-gift card online. No stress, zero confusion, just a completely clear path to getting those funds ready for your next shopping spree. Let's dive right in. So, you just got a TJ Maxx gift card. Now what? Best feeling in the world, right? Whether it was a birthday present, a holiday stocking stuffer, or maybe a nice housewarming gift, you are essentially holding a digital code that translates directly into a shopping spree. But before you can start filling up your digital or physical shopping cart, there's an immediate need to access and actually validate those funds. That is exactly what we're going to solve for you right now. Here's a really quick look at our roadmap for today's explainer. We're going to cover 1. The gift of TJX, 2. Activating your gift card, 3. Redeeming and checking balances, 4. Troubleshooting common issues, and finally, 5. Best practices and disclaimers. We're covering the whole shebang from start to finish, so even if you're a total beginner, you can follow along effortlessly. All right, Section 1, the gift of TJX. Before we activate anything, I want to quickly highlight the sheer versatility of what you actually hold in your hands. This isn't just for one single store. Your card is essentially a golden ticket to the entire TJX family of brands. You can use it at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, HomeGoods, HomeSense, and Sierra. And the absolute best part, it works both in their physical stores across the US and Puerto Rico and online at tjmaxx.com, marshalls.com, and sierra.com. You'll literally have thousands of items across clothing, home decor, and accessories right at your fingertip. And this brilliantly illustrates why shopping here is just so much fun. The source material notes, the treasure hunt model offers deep discounts on brand name merchandise and a flexible global supply chain. That right there is the magic of TJX. You're hunting for surplus inventory and designer labels at massive discounts. But before you can start your bargain treasure hunt, we need to make absolutely sure your card is active and ready to go. Which brings us to Section 2, activating your gift card. Now, many digital gift cards, or e-gift cards, typically require a really quick validation process before they can actually be spent. Let's walk through exactly how to get that done. TJX utilizes a dedicated digital gifting partner called CashStar to manage their e-gift cards. Step 1. You'll need to access the official CashStar activation portal using the link that's usually provided right there in your gift email. Step 2. Input your unique TJX gift card number. Step 3, and this one is absolutely crucial, you must input the registered email address associated with the purchase or the recipient's file. Finally, Step 4, just click the Activate My Card button. This securely registers your info with CashStar and officially flips the switch to turn on your card. But wait, there is one small catch. Your digital card is active and ready to use only once you receive the confirmation email from CashStar. Seriously, don't rush to the store the very second you click that button. Wait for that email to actually arrive in your inbox. That confirmation email is your official green light indicating your funds have been successfully validated on the ledger and your card status is officially updated to active. Moving right along to Section 3, redeeming and checking balances. So now that your card is fully activated, let's talk application. We've unlocked the funds, now let's look at exactly how to spend your money and keep track of it. You basically have two main ways to shop, and they each have a slightly different process. For in-store redemption, it is incredibly friction-free. You just bring your phone or a printed-out copy to the register at any of the TJX family stores. The cashier will scan your items, select the e-gift card tender option, and simply scan the barcode right off your screen. They enter the PIN, and boom, you're done. Online redemption is just as easy, but it does require manual entry. When you're checking out at tjmaxx.com or its sibling sites, just look for the Apply a New Certificate or Card option. You'll manually type in the gift card number and the CSC, which is the security code, to deduct those funds from your total. And, of course, because you might not drop all your money in one single go, you need to know how to check your remaining balance. You have 4 incredibly easy ways to do this, so you never lose track of your funds. First, you can check it online at tjmaxx.com using their balance portal. Second, you can check it right in the TJ Maxx mobile app by going to Rewards, tapping Upload under gift cards, and entering your code. Third, you can literally just ask any cashier in-store to scan it for you. Or fourth, you can call their automated line at 1-888-627-7425. Super easy. All right, let's pivot to Section 4, troubleshooting common issues. We all know that tech hiccups happen from time to time, but don't sweat it. We have the exact solutions and protocols straight from the sources to get you back on track. TJX actually has a highly organized support system. The trick is, identifying your specific failure point dictates exactly which help desk you need to call. If your activation link fails or your email delivery is somehow delayed, you need to call CashStar eGift support at 1-855-793-8452. If you're trying to buy something online and the shopping cart just isn't applying your balance, you'll call the TJ Maxx e-commerce line at 1-833-888-0776. And finally, if you are physically standing in a store and the cashier's point of sale terminal is rejecting the swipe or barcode, you call the physical store line at 1-800-926-6299. Knowing exactly who to call is going to save you a ton of time. I also want to throw you a highly relatable lifeline here. We have absolutely all done this, accidentally deleting an important email while clearing out your inbox. If you happen to delete the email that gives you access to your e-gift card, do not panic. The sources explicitly state that you can simply resend it to yourself using the CashStar customer self-service tool online. It's an amazing built-in safety net for a very, very common digital mistake. Which brings us to our final part, Section 5, Best Practices and Disclaimers. Let's do a quick wrap-up, focusing on some evergreen rules for keeping your money safe and making sure you fully understand the terms of use. The absolute most crucial rule to remember here is treat your gift card exactly like cash. If it's lost or stolen, it will not be replaced, and ownership passes directly to you as soon as that confirmation email is sent out. But the truly great news is that there are absolutely no hidden fees. Your funds literally never expire, and there are zero dormancy or maintenance fees holding your money hostage. Just keep in mind that once your balance reaches zero, the cards cannot be reloaded, you'll just have to buy a new one. And generally speaking, they are not redeemable for cash unless you happen to live in a state where the law explicitly requires it. Also, just a quick heads up on limitations. $500 is the absolute maximum value allowed to be associated with any single e-gift card. And if you happen to be a bulk buyer, or maybe a business purchasing these for your employees, total purchases for any one individual cannot exceed $10,000 in a single calendar day. This brings us to a really essential disclaimer. While this explainer is designed to be a comprehensive, evergreen resource for you, the corporate world is always updating. Policies, terms of use, and technical support phone numbers are always subject to change over time. So it is always a fantastic idea to verify the most current terms directly with the official TJ Maxx website or through CashStar's customer service portals. At the end of the day, they are the ultimate authority on your specific card. And there you have it. You now know exactly how to activate, use, and protect your funds like a total pro. Your card is activated, validated, and ready to go. The only question left is, what is your first treasure hunt going to be? Are you heading straight to the runway section for some designer clothing, or maybe hunting down some fresh throw pillows at HomeGoods? The choice is entirely yours. Enjoy the shopping spree, and thank you so much for joining me for this explainer.